Mga mi, nandito tayo sa Castel Gandolfo. Ito yung bakasyonan ng Pope since 17th century. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung blessings. Kasi for someone like me na hindi naman matalino, hindi naman mataas ang grades before, tapos makeup artist lang ako, if it could happen to me, it could happen to you. Oh my God! Tingnan mo, di ba? Talagang si Lord pag gumalaw, siksik, liglig at umaapaw. Kaya lagi lang tayo magdasal, magpasalamat and ask for His guidance. And God will guide us in every step of the way. Diba? Kasi with Lord, everything is possible. Alam mo yung pagdasal mo yan and God just wants the best for you. God bless mga mi! I love you! Oh my God, ang ganda dito!